Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to download Steam on Windows 11. So I am going to make a quick tutorial for you guys so you can get knowledge from this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you need to go on this Steam account. So for that reason you can search its Steam and you will get this Steam application link. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you are already landed to this page. The interface will be something like this. In here you need to click on install Steam, and here you can see Steam is ultimate destination for playing, discussion and creating games. So I am going to click on install Steam, and it has been downloaded to my computer. So I need to install this application. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they are asking for allow or yes to make changes to my device. So I'm going to yes, and then I will also go with next. I will choose English, then I will click on next, and I will click on install. Once I create on install, now you can see Steam has been installed on your computer. So I need to click on finish. Once I click over here, then the Steam will be installed has been done. So here you can see updating Steam. So it will take a while again, and then I can say probably the Steam installation will be completed by after the updating. So the process was really simple. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.